make this quick. There's not going to be any store footage at all. I'll probably pop in some pics when I need to. But I wanted to share the deal. One of you guys did hit me up this morning. Let me know that the Tyson did pop up on Ibotta, which is why I always like to get the non-Ibotta offers on separate receipts in case it happens to pop up on Ibotta. I know you can still submit the receipt up to 24 hours after you already submitted that receipt. And then you can submit your receipt up to 7 days after purchase for a receipt that you haven't submitted. All right. And so, but of course, if it's more than 24 hours on a receipt that you've already submitted for, you know, other items, you can put a ticket in, which is what I would do as well. But to avoid having to put a ticket in, I usually would just do it on a separate transaction. So I'm going to try to make this quick, y'all. I have so much chicken. Oh my God. OMG. I'm just like, I had a blanket over it so it doesn't, because it's kind of warm today. But I'm going to try to make this quick. So listen, if you guys watched my Walmart video yesterday, I did the Tyson deal and I only grabbed the patties. I grabbed the older bags, which one of you guys did say that you found the older bags on clearance for $3. For me, they didn't work on Ibotta, so I don't know. I did have the item reviewed and it didn't work. It has to be the newer ones, at least for me. And so yeah, so I ran out this morning and said, this is such a good deal. I'm going to go ahead and just do it. And this is going to be a really, really awesome item to donate, especially if it's not something that you use, which we don't use any of this, to be honest. I wish Josiah would eat some chicken nuggets. David, when he was little, all he loved was freaking chicken nuggets and orange chicken and pizza. But this little one right here, he's a whole new breed. He don't want no chicken nuggets. He only like his fries fresh now, like freshly cut at home. And so let's make this quick because I'm already hot. I'm so sorry, y'all. I had to take off that sweater. I was hot. So the Tyson, look, listen, I know this is not going to last for long. It's a triple stack, meaning it's on 3 different apps. It's on Checkoff 51, Ibotta, and it's on the sister app, Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, and Tada. Now, you could do this different ways based on what you want, based on which offers you have available, based on your budget. Hello? That's probably like the number one. Because it's a lot out of pocket. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, to get a set of 4 of like, it was like $25. So it's a higher out of pocket, but I think it's totally worth it, especially with MyPoints glitching. You know, honestly, I don't really know if I could say it's a glitch now. Like if this was their way of saying use our app, they won. One win for you. Like, it's not even a win for just MyPoints. It's a win-win for both parties, because it's like I'm trying to put my deals together in increments of 2,400 points. As y'all know, MyPoints has been glitching the whole entire month of flipping October. I don't know how many times I've done it. I have no idea. They are going through, but I'm not gonna count them in my numbers until they go through, because as y'all know, things can be refunded. And so yeah, so anyway, so listen, so I grabbed the where's my cheat sheet? I grabbed the chicken nuggets. This is the newer bags. The ones I got yesterday was the older bag. So these are priced at $6.46, I want to say. You can get the original and you can get the spicy. Again, $6.46. I'm going to just give you the numbers based on how many I got. I maxed that deal out and I went ahead and grabbed 4. Do you have to see? Do y'all really have to see? No, you just trust and believe. I'm not about to pull all these out the bags. This is the chicken patties. I got the spicy. And so you're gonna grab oh, I don't have a doc for it yet. Okay, I have it on paper. All right, so for the patties, you're gonna grab 4 of them. Well, I grabbed 4 of them at $6.46. And I ended up paying $25.84 out of pocket. And then I got back $2 on Ibotta, which the limit is only 2. So I got back 2 on Ibotta. And then I got back 14 on Swagbucks, and I got back a total of $8 on Checkoff 51. So basically makes them all free, plus like 16 cents. Well, why wouldn't I max it out and grab 4? So there is that. And like I said, it's a good item to donate. My sister, and niece and nephew, they've been at the house like a lot lately. And she usually gets the banquet, but that's a hell of a treat. So she's going to be super stoked. And she be cutting the patties into chicken nuggets. I think it's so cute. But we got nuggets, so she don't have to do that. So that was the chicken patties, and then the chicken nuggets. Now I did do these deals on 2 different transactions because I wanted to submit, because I did the patties yesterday on My Points, so I couldn't do that. I did it on I did that for Swag Bucks. Oh. But the chicken nuggets, again, it's the newer bag. It's these here. These are priced at $6.46 as well. We grabbed a total of 4 of them, paid $25.84 out of pocket. That's to see what I mean, y'all. It's a high out of pocket. Like for 2 sets of 4, that's $50 out of pocket. At the same time, you stocked up. You know what I mean? Like, you stocked up, right? So $25.84 out of pocket, getting back $2 on Ibotta since the limit is 2. This is a different offer. And then you'll get back a total of $12 on Swag Bucks. I did My Points though, so it was $6.37 times 2. And then $1.50, I want to say, on Checkout 51 for each bag. So it makes them $1.46 each, y'all. Look. $1.46 each, look. If you don't need this, I know you got somebody in your family, cousin, sister, brother, dog, I don't know, goldfish, I don't know, neighbor. I know somebody would be freaking happy. They would be in heaven. So yeah, so don't always think, I don't eat that, I don't use that. I know you know somebody who do, or somebody that knows somebody who do. So that was the chicken nuggets. So far we're at 8 bags for less than $6, y'all. Tell me, is that not a good deal so far? If you think it's a good deal, let me see you hit the thumbs up. All right, the next thing I got, and I'm saving one for last because it's like a, ooh, that worked type of deal. So I hope you still watch to the end. And then the next thing I grabbed was the chicken bites. I only did 2 bags of these because they were higher priced. And so I grabbed 2 of these, priced at $8.47. You'll pay $16.94, getting back $1 for each on Ibotta. There is 3 different offers for each of these items. And then $7 on Swag Bucks, and I got back a total of $2.25 for each bag on Checkout 51. Makes these $1.72. So even, I mean, I probably could have just got 4 bags of these, to be completely honest, because based on the points I had on My Points, I wanted to hit 2,400 points 3 times, and I was short like 800 and something. That's why I came to Food for Less, which I'll share what I got there as well. And if I would have just got 4 of these, I could have been like, okay, cool. That would have been 3 gift cards for $25 each. That would have been a $30 moneymaker. And so, well, not $30 moneymaker after all of the costs of everything. And so we did that. This popped up on Ibotta this morning too for the Airwick. It's available for Walmart Rewards and Ibotta. I did it I was trying to do it for Ibotta, but it went through for Walmart Rewards. $3.98, get back 4. Makes this free. And so that was that. And then this, you guys, like, I'm not a big hot dog person. But I thought, you know, I really like beef. I really like beef hot dogs, but I just hate that they're so damn expensive. And so I wanted to do this deal. Now, originally, I was going to grab the Ballpark beef. They have the bun length at $4.98. My store didn't have any, and then they have the regular length ones for $5.23. So if you can find the bun length ones at $4.98, you'd pay $9.96 for 2 of them, get it back 680 points on My Points, which is $4.25. It'd make them $2.85 each. I thought that was a pretty decent deal, especially for beef hot dogs. And on top of that, they're the bun length ones, which I really like. I mean, who wants to eat a hot dog and still have bun left? Like, who? I mean, I'm gonna eat it anyway, but I'm just saying. So when I got into the store, I was in there scanning stuff because I saw that they had these. They're not beef, but it's a good deal. Okay, these are the Franks, right? They're cheaper. These are priced at, I want to say how much. These are priced at $3.64. So what I did is I scanned it on My Points and Swag Bucks, and it was working. So I was like, okay, cool. What can we do with this? So these are priced at $3.64. So you want to grab 2 at $3.64. You'll end up paying $7.28 out of pocket, but then you'll get back $4.25 if you're doing My Points, which I did My Points. If you do Swag Bucks, Inbox or Tada, I believe it's $4. So it makes it $3.03 for 2 packs, or $1.51 each, which I think is a really good price considering a lot of the cheaper hot dogs are around $1, $1.25, somewhere up in there. So to get ballpark hot dogs for $1.50, I'm sold. So I went ahead and grabbed 4. So I got 1, 2, 3. And I got 4. And I'm just gonna probably keep one out, freeze the rest, and when I want a hot dog, guess what I'll have? I'll have a hot dog. So there was that, and then, so like I said, I was trying to do my deals for My Points in increments of 2,400 points, and I think I started off today at 18. And so I was still short like 840, I want to say. So I came over to Food for Less, and I did the best food deal. These are $5.99. And there is $2 coupons. Let me show you, because I actually found a tear pet. I actually found it here. Was it here at Food for Less, or was it at Vons? It was either Food for Less or Vons. Oh, this is the one I found today, and it's $2 off. That's the one I found today. This is my little coupon pouch, you guys. Y'all remember when we got these little Johnson & Johnson bags? Y'all remember? Y'all remember? Yeah. I use it for my coupons. You see how heavy it is. And this is just all tear pads and pillies. Believe it or not. Look. All my coupons. And yeah. I told you, I don't buy coupons no more. I don't print coupons no more. All I'm relying on solely is pillies, hang tags, and tear pads. And I used 2 of these $2 coupons. They scan perfectly fine. Ended up paying $7.98, and I got back 850 points on My Points, which is $5.31. So it made them $1.33 each. I think that's a really great price, $1.33. And y'all know Best Food has gotten expensive. That's the only mail that I like. In the comments, which mail do you like? Because we grew up on Miracle Whip, and I never liked it as a kid, and I definitely don't like it as an adult. I just feel like mail shouldn't be sweet. No. I'm so used to getting light because that's what I usually would use, but these are going to be donated. So $1.33, not bad on that. And then I also did the Axe. If you still watching, don't forget to smash that like button for I smash you out. This deal I went ahead and grabbed on the Axe. Now, sticks are cheaper. They're only $5.49, and then we have a $7.50 off of 2 digital. That's working perfectly fine with those. You'll pay $3.48, get back $3.50 on Swag Bucks, so it makes them free. All right. On My Points, obviously with the conversion, it makes them a small money maker. Now I was like, you know, these, if I resell these really easy. I sell the sticks too, but this would be I would make more money if I just got these, right? So I figured it was worth me paying the extra for each one. So you're gonna grab 2 of these, priced at $5.99. Use a digital, you'll pay $4.48, and then I got back a total of 510 points on My Points, which is $3.18. So I made these 65 cents each. I thought that was a great deal on these, and I did scan them with the app for My Points, and they worked. And of course, in the Food for Less app, they're working as well. What I'll probably do is when I get home, I'll take a picture and give you my final numbers of what everything cost me. But off the back, I want to say this was like $120 worth of stuff, you guys. So other than that, I didn't say subscribe. We kind of late, huh? Listen, if this is your first time seeing this lovely face, this is your first time, definitely subscribe. Make sure you smash like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure post notifications are on so you never miss a video. And so with that being said, I am going to see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. This worked out so amazing. A couple things I wanted to mention though. I forgot to mention we have an offer on Aisles for Clean Age deodorant. They only have this at one of my stores. It's priced at $9.97. Getting back $9.97 on Aisles, making that absolutely free. The other thing is I realized that I had an offer on Fetch Reward for the Axe, spend 20, get back 5. And so I went back to Food for Less. I grabbed 2 of the Axe sticks. This is a different account. I saved $7.50 in digitals. I paid $3.48, got back $3.50 on Swag Bucks, and then submitted that receipt to Fetch Reward as well, and got back 5. So basically made all 4 free plus a $5 money maker. And so other than that, you guys, everything you see here retails $132.07. We had $19 in coupons. That brought our out-of-pocket down to $113.07. Walking away with $37.18 from my points. I haven't counted any gift cards because I haven't had any cash out since my last video, but hopefully I'll get some in the next couple days, which will then make this a money maker. Checkout 51 is $18.50, Swag Bucks is $17.50, Aisles is $9.97, Walmart Rewards is $6, Fetch is $5, and last but not least, I bought it at $4. So we're getting back a total of $98.15, making this a net cost of $14.92, y'all. Less than $15 for this, you guys, which is so awesome. Are 67 cents each. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. And if you got to the end, don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.